In this video, we're going to show you how to change the battery on this key fob. Locate the gap at the end of the key fob and use a coin, a flat screwdriver, or a key to open the shell. Remove the top part of the key fob and you'll see the circuit board. Now the battery is at the bottom part, so we need to remove it. And right there is the battery. Now you need to pay attention to the positive side of the battery. So here, we simply are going to slide out the battery. Once you do that, take the new battery, pay attention to the positive side again. One side of the button cell battery is positive, the other is negative, so the positive is facing up in this case. And once you do that, take the shell and align the circuit board. You can see that pin right there. And take the other half and just snap it together until the remote is completely closed.